Today's episode is, the bad guy steals a pirate ship. Since it is stormy, I am going to steal this pirate ship. Ha 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 ha. Ah, coasting in the water. What a life. At least nobody was looking, or else I could have got into trouble. Time to fire a cannon at another ship. Ha 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 ha. Now to fire the cannonball. Ha 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 ha.
Cannonball!
The ship is now sinking. Let's wait for another one. Ha 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 ha. Here comes a big cargo ship. Let's shoot it. Holy crap. Help. I am drowning.
Attention, attention. There is a man drowning in the English Channel. Everyone to the helicopter. Repeat. Everyone in the helicopter.
Go, 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 go.
The police are here to release you.
Bad guy, come out of the hospital, please.
Oh bother. Crappy, 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 crappy.
Bad guy, you're under arrest for stealing a pirate ship. You will stay in jail for 375 years.